You know, I really hate this clear condition. I should have solved this 15 minutes ago. That is absolutely fine. I was in a state that almost needed distraction. Okay, so here I... get Yoshi out? And use Yoshi to re-enter with a different POW. Because Yoshi can walk on munchers, of course. He's got shoes and Mario doesn't. I'll leave that POW here to walk out. And carry this POW with me, and I have to leave Yoshi behind. So that when I re-enter, the Bob-omb in the top right is spawned and turns us off. Now I don't know if I need Yoshi or not. But what I do is I grab this POW, put it here, and this P-switch, and activate it, and that gets me the key. And I kind of need to not have Yoshi again, because I'm going to need to damage boost. Oh no. I need Yoshi. Maybe. Something. Well, let's abandon Yoshi over here if we have to. Ugh. Ah! There we go, okay. So, Fire Flower is not super. Let's make sure we've got jump on turbo to try to get past the spikes before we turn small. Is that even hypothetically possible? Can't get under there. Oh no, there's a whole other crazy... How do I get... Oh. Nope. It's down there. Really, Yoshi? That's how fast you run. Well, you're stuck here now, aren't you? Yeah, if only. Oh, those P blocks. Suggestions welcome again. How in the world do I reach the goalpost while super and not fire? What can I carry with me? POW, P-switch. Yoshi can't eat a bomb. Well, does swallow. Can't spit the bomb back out. I don't think I can get back to the key door while I'm big either. Or I at least do not know how to do such a thing. Right, with a fast conveyor going left, it's possible to get under those spikes and duck jump. I don't know how to do that. Ugh. I don't know if that little spot has... Huh! Thank you, Yoshi! I don't know what happened there exactly. Somehow Yoshi bumped me forward a little bit. And then I got an extra damage boost while I was already big, but from Yoshi. Poof.